Let's learn the most useful 40 advanced vocabulary for IELTS preparation. These vocabs will help you to achieve your desired band score. So let's get started. 1. Think, contemplate. 2. Believe, assume. 3. Know, perceive. 4. Understand, comprehend. 5. Remember, recall. 6. Forget, overlook. 7. Decide, determine. 8. Expect, anticipate. 9. Hope, aspire. 10. Help, assist. 11. Start, initiate. 12. End, conclude. 13. Show, demonstrate. 14. Use, utilize. 15. Need, require. 16. Get, obtain. 17. Give, provide. 18. Take, acquire. 19. Make, construct. 20. Change, modify. 21. Improve, enhance. 22. Reduce, diminish. 23. Increase, augment. 24. Stop, cease. 25. Keep, retain. 26. Control, regulate. 27. Follow, adhere. 28. Break, violate. 29. Choose, select. 30. Want, desire. 31. Destroy, demolish. 32. Hate, detest. 33. Fear, dread. 34. Love, adore. 35. Try, attempt. 36. Buy, purchase. 37. Win, prevail. 38. Lose, forfeit. 39. Check, verify. 40. Find, discover. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.